Hi everybody, my name is Bryce Ayers, and I'll be taking you through TypeScript today. So TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, meaning that JavaScript is valid TypeScript. However, TypeScript is not valid JavaScript. So TypeScript has to be transpiled into JavaScript in order for it to be compatible and run on various browsers. But it does some very important things for us, and it gives us type safety, as well as gives us IntelliSense, meaning, as you can kind of see here, as you start typing, it automatically will bring up and try to auto-complete what it is you're typing, which can be very beneficial, helps prevent a lot of typos and errors and such. So let's go ahead to get started. Let's go over to nodejs.org. And here you will see two different downloads you can get. I'm on a Mac. If you're on Windows, it probably says Windows there, or Linux. But go ahead and select the one that says LTS, long-term support. This is going to be not the most recent, but it's the most stable. So go ahead and click on that to download. That will download to your computer. Then once it's downloaded, just double-click to install. Then from there, you need to install TypeScript. So after you install Node, you should have Npm available, which Npm is a Node package manager. So from here, you could download this, but we'll actually go to the quick start. Excuse me, not the quick start. Here you can see if you're launching it using TypeScript with various things. In a future video tutorial, I'll be using Angular, an Angular CLI specifically, which will automatically transpile your TypeScript into JavaScript. Let's go to the documentation here. Actually, download. So if you click on the download link, and this is over at typescriptlang.org, then click on the download link, and you'll see this Npm Install. So you can take this. Oops. There we go. And Control C or Command C on Mac. And we can come over to a terminal and you can paste that in. And that'll go ahead and install TypeScript. So now if you type which TSC, if you're on Windows, it's probably a different command to figure out where it's located. But great, so it shows we have it installed. So now we can run this TSC command, and that will go ahead and transpile our code for us, which is super handy. So next we need an editor. So the editor I recommend is Visual Studio Code. It has great support for TypeScript. There's a big button here, download for Mac, probably says download for Windows or Linux, etc. So go ahead and click that, download it, and then once it's downloaded, double click to install and go through the install commands. So in the next video, we'll actually go ahead and create some files and get started.